welcome to Cooking with Derek, and in this little video I am not cooking. I'm going to maybe brag a little bit, I don't know, but a few years ago I started baking my own bread again. The price of bread is frankly obscene, and there was a scandal in Canada on price fixing on bread prices, and I'm like, nope, I just go back to baking bread. It's so easy. And I found out that my shoulders don't like kneading bread as much as they did when I was in my 20s and 30s. So I've been using a stand mixer. Unfortunately, my stand mixer is small enough that I can only make two decent sized loaves of bread at a time, and I go through 4 loaves of bread a week. So I was online and there was some whammer jammer big sale, 30% discount, and I bought a new KitchenAid mixer specifically for making bread. I can use it for other things, but I can make bread a lot quicker, and I can make a batch of, this will hold up to 8 3/4 pounds of bread dough. That's over 8 loaves of bread. I'll probably make 4 or 6 at a time. So this is what I'm doing. I've never done a product reveal before, but I did manage to score at a good price. KitchenAid's redesigned 7-quart lift bowl stand mixer with 11 improved touch points. I know it's just a whole bunch of gobbledygook, but hey, it's a KitchenAid stand mixer. This beast weighs 30 pounds, for the love of God. I just want to get it out of the box, but I just might rip the box open. Warranty cards, and rip it open. Oh, here's the pouring shield. And I've seen other people do these reveals, and I thought they were kind of corny, and I thought, I got a corny streak, why don't I do it too? So let's lift it out of the box. And nope. They certainly don't make it easy. There is, with this model, we have 2 different levels of the 7-quart stand mixer. This one has stainless steel parts, not the coated. These are definitely dishwasher proof. And the 2-year warranty, not 1. So I went for that. The sale price was remarkable. Every accessory for this mixer is dishwasher safe, except for the wire whisk. So here we go. I am a little bit gobsmacked, you know, because there's no way I would pay full price for this. Let's see what, oh, lower it down, lift off the bowl, perhaps. It's got a catch, oh, there we go, catch at the back. Comes with a wire whisk, a paddle with a spatula on each side for cleaning the bowl, another batter mixer, and there should be, this one apparently is for making pastry, mashing potatoes, and it's got a cute little piece of rubber for cleaning the accessories. And there we go. This is the matte black finish. I'm super happy. When it comes time to the first time I'm using it, I will definitely make a video. But for now, I've got to find a place to put it. KitchenAid, newly redesigned 7-quart lift bowl stand mixer is now part of my cooking tool repertoire. I'm pleased. And it was on sale. I would never have paid full price for it, but it was a Victoria Day long weekend sale, a special in Canada. The price was really good. I'm a happy guy. Cooking with Derek. Hey, it's me again about the mixer. I just found the dough hook, the most important part. I'm so glad it came with it. Anyhow, this will get a workout every week. Pay for itself, and I figured 8.5 months. That's pretty good. See you again.